Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Yorkshire Vlogger. For those who are new to my channel, hit subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. So in today's video it's going to be a Halloween mystery unboxing. Let's have a look at the box. So first out of the box, it is a Mike and Ike tropical typhoon flavour. So let's have a taste, see what they're like. Because no doubt they're American sweets. They'll be full of sugar and full of artificial colours. So let's have a look. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but let's have a try. I don't even know what flavours they are. So these must be... full of sugar. Yeah, definitely full of sugar. Let's have a look. Amount per serving, calories 80. Saturated fat 0 grams. Sodium 5 milligrams. Added sugars 13 grams. So there's kiwi, banana, Caribbean punch, strawberry banana, paradise punch, and mango. Well, no, I didn't really get any hints of any tropical flavours, so yeah, that was Mike and Ike Tropical Typhoon. Next one to try, I don't know if the camera's going to focus. This one is Woolies Iron Brew Chew Bar. Now, if anyone can recognise the character, I'm sure he was in one of the comics. If anyone knows which comic he's from, leave a comment. So let's have a look. So probably, no doubt, hopefully this will taste of Iron Brew. If I can get into the packet. God, there's a lot. So no doubt there'll be loads of sugar and... Right, here we go. What's this say? Yeah, that does. Excuse me while I just chew this, but yeah, that does really taste of Iron Brew. Excuse me while I'm chewing away. So yeah, that one. Oh, come out there. So yeah, that was the Woolies Iron Brew Chew Bar. The next one out the box is the Airheads White Mystery. Seeing that it's a mystery Halloween unboxing. So let's have a look. So total sugars 11 grams, including 11 grams added sugar, 22%. Now I'm wondering if you, wrong way, if you can actually get them over here or only in America. But Let's have a taste of this one, if I can get into the wrapper. Oh! So yeah, that is completely... So I have no idea what the flavour is going to be. Oh! I don't know what that... Oh! I don't know what flavours those are, but the... Oh no, it's a really, really weird flavour, that one, so... I can't really describe, but... Yeah, that's the... Airhead's White Mystery. Oh, that was awful, that flavour. Next, it is a Jelly Belly. I don't know if you can see that. That's lemon lime flavour. Now, I'm not sure if you get these over here in the UK or if this is an American thing, but it says sparkling water. So, this will make good... Oh, whatever it is, where the people just do the sound effects. So here we go. Oh, I don't know if it's... Oh! Right, cheers. I don't know. I don't know, that's supposed to be... That's... Yeah, if that's lemon lime flavour sparkling water, well... Here's a... I'll try another sip. So yeah, that's Jelly Belly lemon lime sparkling water. So the next one, I don't know if you can see it on camera, if it'll focus. This is the original Big Slice Pops green apple hard candy lollipop. No doubt it'll be full of artificial colours and flavourings, yada yada yada. So anyway, let's have a look and a taste. I can get into it. Oh, it's stuck to the wrapper's all sticky. Oh, hecky thump. Right. That does really... Right, I'm going to try and take a... There we go. It does taste like apple, but it's an artificial apple flavour. So yeah, that was the original Big Slice Pops green apple hard candy lollipop. So the next one is the Tango Shockers, and that is apple. Apple flavour sour fizz tuba. I'm not going to even read the what ingredients are in it, but let's have a quick taste, see what it's like. No doubt it'll be sour apple, and it's really stuck to the... Oh wow, that was really sour. Alright, see, apple tango sherbet shockers. Oh, that is really... Yeah, it's that sticky, it's actually stuck to the wrapper. I'll try another bite. So yeah, that was the Tango Shockers. So before we start, I'd like to introduce my girlfriend, who's joined in for this next section. So the next one I've got out of the box, it's called a Laffy Taffy Candy, and this is a bar version. And then for some strange reason on the back, I don't know if you can see it, but on the back it's got a get in touch number. Not that I recommend anyone trying the number, because I don't know what will happen, but it says get in touch at laffytaffy.com. And it says made in the good old US of A with globally sourced ingredients. So I wonder what they could be. And then my girlfriend, she's trying a different version of the Laffy Taffy bar. So let's have a look. I think these might have melted while they've been... mine's all melted in the box. Wow, that is a really bright yellow. I don't know if you can see that on camera. But yeah, that's a really, really bright yellow. So no doubt it'll be... Oh, I can't even get into it. Ah, here we go. Yeah, it's all melted. Oh, it hasn't all. Yeah. Bear with us, we might be some time. Alright, I'm just gonna go in like that and... That is... Oh, it's like an artificial... banana flavour. Oh, that's why, so it's stretchy and tangy. And then again, it doesn't and then all of a sudden the banana flavour goes, oh! And while I think mine's got a joke. What did the hipster high jumper think about the bar? He was so over it. So yeah, that was a supposedly Laffy Taffy banana flavour. So yeah, I don't know about that flavour. Have you got a... Oh, and there's another joke. Why was the pencils joke bad? Because it had no point. Aha. So yeah, that was the... That was the Laffy Taffy one that my girlfriend tried. And that was the Laffy Taffy bar that I tried. Like I say, it was supposed to be banana, but...
It tasted like those banana...
Oh, those banana sweets.
That you can get over here, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Laffy Taffy. So the next one from the mystery box, it's called a black cherry chews. So there we are. I don't know if it'd be like an artificial black cherry flavour, but here we go.
Well, I thought it was going to be like a blackjack.
Yeah, we thought it was going to be like a blackjack flavour, but obviously not. It's a black cherry flavour.
Very nice.
That is. If you can get them over here, try them. If not, try them on the Etsy store, which is... There we are. I don't know if you can see it. I know I showed it at the beginning of the video, but if you ever fancy getting some of the sweets from the Etsy store, I definitely recommend it. So yeah, that was the black cherry flavour. So the next one, it's Chews again, but this is pink lemonade flavour, and it says, I can see on the wrapper saying artificially flavoured. So yeah, it's bright pink. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, right. Ah, that does not taste like pink lemonade to me. I'm sorry. I don't know about that.
It's got a horrible flavour in it. It's what it tastes like, I don't know.
You know when you taste something and you know that flavour, it's one of them where you know that flavour from somewhere. So yeah, that was the Chews supposedly pink lemonade flavour. The next one, it's called Now and Later strawberry and kiwi. So I have unwrapped mine, and they look very similar to, what did we say, the fruitellas over here? So yeah, right, so this is strawberry kiwi. That's too overpowering. Oh. That's not really. Ooh. That's a bit funky.
It started with the strawberry flavour, then went into the kiwi.
Yeah, it's just. I think it's the two flavours trying to. Oh! Product of Mexico! So yeah, that's the... there we are. Artificial flavour. I'd love to know what this Red 40 Blue 1 is. Right, if anyone knows what Red 40 Blue 1 is, leave a comment. So yeah. Ingredients: corn, syrup, sugar, palm oil, citric acid, salt, artificial flavour, soy, lecithin, emulsifier, red 40, blue 1, contains soy. So yeah, that's the now and later, supposedly, strawberry kiwi. Right, next one. I'll try and get that. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that is the Airheads Extreme Sour Black Cherry. So yeah, I'll try and get into mine because mine's all stuck to the wrapper. Oh, here we are. So yeah, that's it there. So I'm hoping it will taste of black cherry. Probably artificial. But oh my god, that is... Oh, that is really sour! That was... That is really... Oh! Are you okay? No, we're not okay. Oh! And it's going. My eyes are watering. Yeah, if there's any fans of Airheads out there, let us know. So yeah, that's the Airheads Extreme Sour Black Cherry. Next one, it's called, I don't know if you can see it, it's called a Crybaby Nitro Sour. Now, I don't even know what flavour this is because half of it is stuck to the packaging. But yeah, this is a Crybaby Sour Bubblegum Nitro Sours. Right, here we go. If I can get into the... Oh yeah! Yeah.
I wasn't trying one of those.
No, Debbie was brave and not. Oh my god! Oh! I'm fine! Oh, this might get more views! Because you was talking really high with a sour sweet in my mouth. Oh, that is... I don't know what was worse, this one or the Airhead Black Cherry. Oh, that is...
Well, the cherry one reminded me of medicine.
But now I'm... Oh, that is awful. So yeah, that was the Crybaby Sours. Oh.
Are you crying, dear?
So you don't want to try it?
No, thank you.
So yeah, that was the... Sorry when I talk with my mouth full. So yeah, that was the Crybaby Shower. Oh, Crybaby Shower. Sorry, my voice has gone a bit funny now. So yeah, that was the sour one. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Yorkshire Vlogger, and hope to see you soon in the next video, and hope you all have a spooky Halloween and stay safe. Bye!